So 16 feet 6 inch minus 16 feet 3 inch, we are getting 3 inch. So obviously mode load is coming from 14 feet 9 inch. So this is the 1 BHK, and utility also will be there. No change in utility area. Here in ground floor, there will be a 1 BHK and parking. So this is the first floor plan which I have created in my previous video. And today I will show you how to decide position of column and orientation for a G+3 building. Also we'll create its ground floor plan. So before I start, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will be the first to know when I upload something new. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for latest updates. Now let's get started. So come to this plan. This is the first floor plan, but here we will create the ground floor plan. So first we need to rename this. We will create ground floor plan. So here first I will place the column, and we will understand how to decide the position of column. So for that, make column layer as current layer first. Now, first we have to check the dimension. So before placing column, we have to check the dimension. So here, this side 34 feet 3 inch. We have to check from here. If we will provide one column here in this corner, now the second column, if we will provide here, can we provide here? No, because it is 11 feet. We can provide a column in 11 feet, but here is no wall. You can see it's only toilet wall, and here there is no wall. So if we provide any column here, another column will come middle of this bedroom. So it will not look good. So we have to check next distance. So if we'll check this point to this point, it is 15 feet 11 inch. So yes, we can provide another column there. These internal walls are partition walls, but still the width of the column will be here inside this column, inside this wall. So next, this point if we'll provide second column here, and the last one if we'll provide here. No, this distance we will not take end to end, because column, this point here, this point to this point, this distance 16 feet 7 inch. So here also one more column we can provide. So this side we will provide 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. This side also same. Okay, this column will go in same grid line. So all the columns should be on same grid line. Okay. So first we have to check the place where we will provide the column. After placing the column, we will change the orientation. Okay. So take the column, REC, enter, specify. First point here, column size we will take, go to dimension 9 inch by 15 inch. Now I will hatch it. So when column to column distance, it's 15 feet to 16 feet, means it may be 15 feet or 16 feet, then the column size for G+3 building 9 inch by 15 inch. So we will hatch this. So here we will take column size 9 inch by 15 inch. So we'll block it, this column, this is 9 inch by 15 inch. Now we will start from this point. So first, this position we have finalized this point. So first we have to check the, second we have to check the orientation. First position, this is the position, this point. Now we have to check the orientation. So for orientation, we have to check the dimension. So dimension. So to this point, column will provide on this point. So to this point, load is coming from here, another column. So from this distance, this is 12 feet 1 inch, and see here to here, this is also one more column. we will provide. So to this point, load is coming from this side. This is 12 feet 1 inch, and to this column, this side load, and from this side also load is coming. So this side 12 feet 1 inch and this side 16 feet 7 inch. So 16 feet 7 inch is greater than 12 feet 1 inch. So more load is coming from 16 feet 7 inch. 16 feet 7 inch is greater than 12 feet 1 inch. So more load is coming from 16 feet 7 inch. So shorter side of column should be oriented towards longer side wall, because more load is coming from longer side wall. So shorter side of column should be oriented towards longer side wall. So rotate this, move this point and paste it here. I hope you understand what I said here. This is the longer side, 16 feet 7 inch. Okay. Next, this point. To this point, load is coming from 3 directions. This direction, 16 feet 7 inch. From this direction, this is the another column, 15 feet 11 inch, and this direction. So here, where we will provide the column? Here, on this point. So here to here, this distance, it is 11 feet 6 inch. So to this point, load is coming from 3 directions, from 16 feet 7 inch minus 15 feet 11 inch. So we are getting 8 inch. So 8 inches, 11 feet 6 inches greater than 8 inch. So more load is coming from 11 feet 6 inch. So shorter side of column should be oriented towards 11 feet 6 inch wall. Okay. Shorter side of column should be oriented towards longer side wall. So longer side wall means more load is coming from which side? 11 feet 6 inch. Because this side 16 feet 7 inch minus 15 feet 11 inch. We are getting 8 inch. So longer side is 11 feet 6 inch. So more load is coming from 11 feet 6 inch. So shorter side means 9 inch side of column. That 9 inch side of column should be oriented towards longer side wall, that is 11 feet 6 inch side. Here shorter side is oriented towards 16 feet 7 inch side wall. Okay. And this side 11 feet 6 inches longer side wall. So shorter side of column is oriented towards longer side wall, means towards 11 feet 6 inch side. Shorter side of column is oriented. Okay. These two columns we have placed with proper orientation. Okay. Next, after this column, this two column, after this column. So to this point, to this column, load is coming from this side wall and from this side wall. Okay. So this side column we will provide here, means we will provide a construction line, horizontal line. Okay. So this side column we will provide here. So load is coming from this column, and this column means column, beam, wall, all load will coming. So this side 11 feet 6 inch and this side 15 feet 11 inch. So 15 feet 11 inch is greater than 11 feet 6 inch. So more load is coming from 15 feet 11 inch. So shorter side of column means 9 inch side of column. 9 inch is shorter side because 15 inch is longer side. So shorter side of column should be oriented towards 15 feet 11 inch. Okay. Hope you understand. Okay. Next, we have provided 3 columns. These 3 columns. Okay. Now delete all the dimensions. Now, here to here, column to column distance, we will check. Column to column distance 15 feet 8 inch. And here to here, 15 feet 5 inch. So, when column to column distance is 15 feet to 16 feet, so we can give for G+3 house, column size 9 inch by 15 inch. Okay, so here column size is also correct and orientation we have given correctly. Alright. So next we will provide where? Next column. 3 columns we have provided. Okay. Both the corners and one in middle. Next column we have to provide see, here we are creating the ground floor. So first I will provide the column, then I will change this first floor plan to ground floor plan, because first floor I have already created, and we will place the same column in the first floor plan. Next column we will provide here. So on this point to this column, load is coming from this side. Okay, delete this. To this column, load is coming from this side column. Okay, and from, see, load is coming from, sorry, I'll delete, here to here, this column to this column, this is 11 feet 6 inch, load is coming from this side, this is 11 feet 6 inch distance, and to this column, load is coming from this side, this is 11 feet 6 inch, load is coming from this side also. So this side distance we have to measure from here, this point to this point, this is, we will take this point, this is 15 feet 7 inch. Okay, so 15 feet 7 inch minus 11 feet 6 inch, it is 4 feet 1 inch. Now load is also coming from this side direction, here will be another column, so this side it is 16 feet 6 inch. So 15 feet 7 inch minus 11 feet 6 inch, we are getting 4 feet 1 inch. So 11 feet 6 inch is greater than 4 feet 1 inch. So shorter side of column means 9 inch side of column, that is shorter side of column should be oriented towards 16 feet 6 inch, that is longer side. Okay, so more load is coming from 16 feet 6 inch wall. So we will place it like this. Look, shorter side is oriented towards 16 feet 6 inch side wall. Okay, next, this is, I hope you understand, this is the longer side, because 15 feet 7 inch minus 11 feet 6 inch, it is 4 feet 1 inch. So longer side is 16 feet 6 inch obviously. So shorter side we have oriented towards longer side wall. Next, this column, to this column load is coming from this side, and this, 4 sides, from 4 sides, 4 columns load is coming. Okay, load of beam, load of column, load of roof slab, all load will coming. Okay, from 4 sides to this column. So for this is 16 feet. Okay, 16 feet minus 15 feet 11 inch, this is 1 inch. And this side 16 feet minus 11 feet 6 inch, this is 4 feet 1 inch. Okay, so 15 feet, see, this is 16 feet minus 15 feet 11 inch, we are getting 1 inch. And this side 16 feet minus 11 feet 6 inch, we are getting 4 feet 1 inch. Okay, so shorter side should be longer side. Which is longer side? Longer side is this side, because 4 feet 1 inch, and that is 1 inch. This is 4 feet 1 inch. So this is longer side. More load is coming from this side. Next, this point. To this point, load is coming from this direction, from this column. This is 15 feet 11 inch. From this side, this is 11 feet 6 inch. Okay, and from this side. So this distance we have to measure. This distance is, we have to, from 3 direction load is coming to this point. This is from 11 feet 6 inch, and this distance, this we have to measure. And this side also load is coming. This is 15 feet 11 inch. Okay, and to this side, so this distance is here to here, it is 16 feet. Okay, so 16 feet here minus 11 feet 6 inch, we are getting 4 feet 1 inch. Okay, so 15 feet 11 inch is greater than 4 feet 1 inch. Okay, I hope you understand. So 16 feet minus 11 feet 6 inch is 4 feet 1 inch. So 15 feet 1 inch is greater than 4 feet 1 inch. Okay, so shorter side of column should be oriented towards 15 feet 11 inch. Side means this side. Alright. Next, these 3 columns, Next 3 columns also we have provided. Next this point. So to this point, load is coming from which side? Load is coming from this side. Here to here, this is 15 feet 3 inch, and here to here, and this side it is 16 feet. Okay, so 16 feet. See, I will take construction line, vertical construction line. I'll take check the dimension again. Here to sorry, this point. End to end we have to take, no? Here to here 16 feet 6 inch. Okay. So 16 feet 6 inch obviously greater than 15 feet 3 inch. So shorter side, so more load is coming from the which side? This side, 16 feet 6 inch to this column. More load is coming. So shorter side of column should be oriented towards this side, 16 feet 6 inch side. Okay. So simply what we'll do? We'll simply copy and paste it. So the shorter side means, which side is shorter side? 9 inch side of the column is the shorter side. The shorter side means 9 inch side of the column should be oriented towards 16 feet 6 inch side wall. Okay, we'll copy. This is the base point we'll take and we'll simply paste it here. Okay. Next point. So next, this point. So next column will provide this point. So this point, load is coming from this side. We'll delete the extra dimensions. We'll delete. To this point, load is coming from this side, 3 sides. This also will delete. Okay. So this dimension we'll check. Here to here it is 14 feet 9 inch. Okay. And this side 16 feet 6 inch. Okay. And load is coming this side. Here another column will provide. So we'll check from here. End to end we have to check. This side 16 feet 3 inch. Okay. So 16 feet 6 inch minus 16 feet 3 inch, we are getting 3 inch. So obviously more load is coming from 14 feet 9 inch. So 14 feet 9 inch is greater than 3 inch. So more load is coming from 14 feet 9 inch. Because from 3 direction load is coming to this point, to this column. Okay. So more load is coming from longer side, that is 14 feet 9 inch, because 16 feet 6 inch minus 16 feet 3 inch, we are getting 3 inch. So shorter side should be oriented towards 14 feet 9 inch. So copy. This is the base point and paste it. We have taken from another side. We should copy from this side. It's okay. We will simply move it. Make ortho should be on and move it and paste it here. It's done. Okay. So another column. We'll delete all the extra dimension lines because it's creating confusion. Okay. Now this point. To this point, load is coming from, delete. To this point, load is coming. Okay, this is 2 feet 9 inch. See, this is the orientation. Structurally, this orientation is correct. But in architectural point of view, if you check, the distance is getting reduced. It is correct. This distance is also okay. But if you want to rotate it, one column, we can rotate it in this. Here, we can rotate it. Okay. But you have to, if you want, you can change it, or if you want, you can rotate it. Okay. Okay. Next, this point. So to this point, so this about this column we will discuss again. Okay. First we will provide all the columns, then I'll discuss whether we should rotate the column or not. To this point, load is coming. From this side, this is 15 feet 3 inch, and from this side, this is 16 feet 3 inch. So 15 feet 3 inch, 16 feet 3 inch, which is greater? Greater is obviously 16 feet 3 inch. So more load is coming from 16 feet 3 inch. So shorter side is 16 feet 3 inch. We will paste it here. Okay. Paste it here. Select, move this point to this point. Okay. We have done. So these columns we have provided. Now we have to provide column for staircase. For the staircase. Here we will provide different size of column because see, here to here this distance is 14 feet 6 inch. Okay. So 14 feet 6 inch, if we will take end to end, it will come around 12 feet column to column distance. So in this case, column sides we can reduce. No need to take 9 inch by 15 inch column. So we'll take rectangle, specify first point, right click, dimension 9 inch by 9 inch, enter. 9 inch by 12 inch column. 9 inch by 12 inch, enter. We'll hatch this. Hatch this and select. We'll block it. You have to give any name you can give. I will keep it like COL. Okay. Now I have created a block. This is 9 inch by 12 inch column. Now I will check here to here. This distance 6 feet 3 inch, and this side distance obviously you can see it is longer side. So shorter side of column should be oriented towards longer side. Okay, this side 14 feet 6 inch, longer side is 14 feet 6 inch. So shorter side should be oriented towards 14 feet 6 inch. Again, this side also same. This is 6 feet 3 inch, a longer side is 14 feet 6 inch. So shorter side should be oriented towards 14 feet 6 inch. Simply copy and paste. Now we can check column to column distance. You can check here. Column to column distance 12 feet 6 inch. Okay. So when it is column to column distance 12 feet or 13 feet, in that case you can take for G+3 house column size 9 inch into 9 inch by 12 inch. Okay. Sorry. This is 9 inch and this side 12 inch. Okay. But here the column size it is 1 feet 3 inch means 15 inch, and this side it is 9 inch. 9 inch by 9 inch. Here to here this is 9 inch. 9 inch by 15 inch. This is 15 inch or 1 feet 3 inch, that is 15 inch. Okay. So column to column distance 15 to 16 inch. For G+3 we can take 9 inch by 15 inch, and column to column distance 12 feet to 13 feet we can take column size 9 inch by 12 inch. Okay. Now how many bars we will provide, I will discuss in another video. Next video I'll discuss how many bars we will provide. Okay. Now check the dimension center to center. This is here 13 feet 8 inch. Okay. See, and this side it is 15 feet 5 inch. This side it is 15 feet 8 inch. Okay. So structurally we have oriented the column, but see, if the distance you will check, this is the entrance balcony. It is 2 feet 9 inch distance left. Anyone can easily move here, but still if you want to keep more space, so you can rotate this particular column here. But make sure if you are doing this like this kind of thing, if you are doing, you do only the presence of structural engineer. Okay. On their concern only you do. You don't do on your own. Okay. So here in this case we can rotate the column. Okay. So if you want to keep it like this, it is correct because it is structurally fully safe. But architectural point of view, if you want to keep little more space, you can rotate it like this. Sorry, move, paste it here. Okay. So that what will happen, you will get little more space here. See, it is on same grid line. All the columns, make sure all the columns should be in same grid line. See here, all the columns are in same grid line, and here little more space we are getting 3 feet 3 inch space. Okay, this is also correct. This is also correct. Now we have done, but if you want to keep it as it was before, you can keep 2 feet 9 inch space also okay for moving. Okay, and this distance, this is 15 feet 2 inch. I'll make you understand again. 15 feet 5 inch. This is 14 feet 2 inch. Okay. So delete all these dimensions. Now delete all these dimensions. We have provided all columns. Now delete this. So we have placed all the columns with proper column orientation. Okay. See, we have provided all columns with proper column orientation and its proper position also. We have decided how to decide the position also. As per wall, where its wall is coming, as per that we have decided the position. See, all the columns are in same grid line. Here it is not coming, so this side you have to say check, delete this. This side all the columns you can see in same grid line. Now vertically we have to check Excel V, this side, this side, this side same grid line, this side also same grid line, here also it is same grid line. So columns should be in same grid line. It is also very important. Okay. Because as per column we have to provide beam also. See, all the columns are in same grid line. So this is the first floor plan where we have placed the column. Now we will create the ground floor plan, because the first floor plan already we have created in my previous video. This is the first floor plan which I have already created in last video. Now we will create the ground floor plan. So in ground floor plan we will create one BHK will be there and parking. Okay, at least parking for 3 car parking. Okay, so first turn off all layers and we will turn on only column layer, and we will copy these columns. This dimension we have to delete. These are no longer required. Okay, we will copy this and we will paste it in first floor plan. Select, copy, like copy with base point, and where we will paste? We will paste in first floor plan. Here we will paste. We will paste it here. Okay. This is the first floor. Because we are going to change that plan to ground floor plan. Now we will turn on all the layers. Select all. and turn on all layers. Okay. Here door I have removed. Door I have removed. So first join these lines. Also join these two lines and delete all the extra lines. All extra lines you have to join. We are creating the ground floor plan now. Delete. Now we have to extend the line to here. So for that, if you want to trim from here, we cannot trim here. See, how many times you will try, you cannot trim here. So for that, what you need to do? See, you cannot trim because we have to bring it to front. Draw order, bring to front. Now we can trim. Trim. See, you can see the line and trim it. We have done. Okay. Now we will extend the line, wall line to here, to this point. So for that, we cannot extend here. It is, we have done block. Okay, we cannot extend, so we have to take a construction line or a line to this line. I'll take a construction line, Excel, vertical line here. Now I'll extend, select this and extend this wall lines. Okay. Now I will delete the construction line. This is no longer required. Now all these extra wall lines I will delete because here our parking will be here. Delete all these extra lines. Okay, these lines also delete. Here will be parking and one BHK we will keep in the ground floor with staircase. Obviously it will be there on its place. So this is the staircase. Now we have to extend this line. Okay. This gate, if you want to keep, you can keep. If you want to remove, you can remove. Okay. But here it is there. Now we have to delete it and we have to extend this line to here. So same process, take construction line, horizontal line here and extend the line. Now delete this. Okay. We have to join these two lines. Here we will provide, you can keep it open or you can simply sliding gate you can provide here. Join this line. So here both side wall will be there and front side it is sliding gate will be there. Now if you don't want to keep the sliding gate also, you can keep it open. Okay. Now here we'll take construction line, vertical line here and here. Okay. Now give trim command. We have to trim these extra lines and here also we'll give offset. Door we will provide. Here we'll give the closed kitchen 2 feet 6 inch door. Okay. And trim this. Also trim this. Okay. So this is the kitchen. We have changed the little dimension. We will change. This is the kitchen. Okay. Sorry. Undo this. Kitchen. This is now dimension of kitchen. We will change little bit because in first floor there is no wall. It was open kitchen, but in ground floor it is wall here. So wall thickness is there. So kitchen size will be 7 feet 8 inch. It will reduce 7 feet 8 inch and this side it is here to here it is 7 feet 8 inch, and this side it is 7 feet 6 inch. So we have to change this 7 feet 8 inch. Delete this. So this is the kitchen. This is the utility area. We can keep it as it is. Okay. Now here give door, main door 3 feet 6 inch offset to this side. Now trim it. Trim. Also trim this. Delete this extra line. This is the door, main door to this living cum dining area. Now this is the bedroom and toilet. So this is the 1 BHK. Okay. So here we need to copy the door from the first floor. Okay. The door we have to copy from the first floor, because here this door, this utility area, this toilet and this bedroom door we need to copy. Copy with base point. This is the base point and paste it here. We have to paste here. See, we have done. Okay. Now kitchen door we need to provide, and main door also we have to provide. So main door also we will copy from here. Here this is 3 feet 6 inch main door. This also we have to copy. Select. This space point is not required because this is the different position. Okay. Place it here and select. We have to move it. Select, move it here. But here we need to mirror it. Select, mirror, make ortho on, enter, and we have to move and place it. Move from here and paste it here. Okay, so this is the main door. This is the main door. Now kitchen door we need to provide. That is same as toilet door, 2 feet 6 inch door. We'll copy from here. Utility door also is same. So rotate this and mirror it. So instead of doing this, you can simply copy from utility area, utility door. Okay, paste it. Because utility, you can see, utility door size is also same. This is D3. So all doors we have fixed. This is the 1 BHK. 1 bedroom, hall and kitchen. So this is the parking. Go to properties. Change the height 1 feet. No, I'll keep it 1 feet 3 inch. Sorry, 1 feet 2 inch. Okay. Now I'll do match properties. This is parking. And I'll do match properties. Move this to here. So we have to measure the parking area and we have to mention it. Dimension of parking. This, if you don't want, you can delete it. This, suppose in ground floor you don't want to keep the gate. You can simply delete it, but I want to keep it because it is there. And this is living cum dining area, or you can simply keep it hall as well. This is for 1 BHK hall, that is 8 feet 6 inch by 11 feet 11 inch. And move this to this point. Also move this also to this middle. Okay. This is the living with dining. Here to here, this is 8 feet 6 inch. And here to here, this is 11 feet 6 inch. Because again wall thickness is coming. Have to change this distance here to here, 11 feet 6 inch. Okay, because before dining room there was no wall. Okay, so 11 feet 6 inch. Your wall thickness is coming 8 feet 6 inch by 11 feet 6 inch living cum dining room. Sorry, 8 feet 6 inch by 11 feet 6 inch. So with before it was in first floor, there was no wall thickness. There was no wall in between living and dining, and the bedroom size is 11 feet by 11 feet 6 inch. Toilet is also same. So this is the 1 BHK, and utility also will be there. No change in utility area. Just to match properties. This is the 1 BHK in ground floor. Ground floor there is 1 BHK, 1 BHK, and this is the parking. So dimension of parking we have to check. This is 32 feet 9 inch, and this side it is 15 feet. No, we have to take end to end. Here to here. Sorry. Here to here, it is 15 feet 9 inch. So it is 32 feet 9 inch by 32 feet 9 inch by 15 feet 9 inch. This is the parking. So I hope you understand how to create this. This is the parking area. This is the 1 BHK and ground floor. First floor we have created, and the link is given in the description box. This is the 1 BHK. Okay. This is the living room. This is the kitchen. This is toilet and bedroom. Living room. This is kitchen. This is utility. This is toilet, and this is bedroom. Okay. Now this is the staircase. We'll go towards this. We'll go up, and here we will reach in first floor. Here, if I'll copy this first floor to near the ground floor, here simply select, copy with edit, copy with base point, and paste it here. Okay, so we are in from ground floor. This is the ground floor, and from here we will go in staircase and we'll reach here in first floor, and we'll go to this first floor house. This is ground floor, this is first floor. Okay, so I hope you understand how to decide the position of column, how to decide orientation. First you have to decide the position, and you have to change the orientation. Okay, this is sliding gate also you can provide, or you can simply keep it open. Okay, and here it will be railing or boundary wall, whatever you can say, in ground floor, and side of the staircase railing will be there. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and if you have any query, let me know in the comment section. And please subscribe the channel also. Thank you for watching the video.